Adobe Premiere Pro, error code 127. If you are getting this error while installing Premiere Pro on Windows, stay with me. This will save your time. I'll show the simplest way to fix it. And if you are new here, this is Rexisht. Are you stuck with this error during installation? I know it's frustrating. No matter how many times you try, the setup fails. Here's why it happens. Error 127 usually occurs when some installer files are missing, system dependencies are not installed, or antivirus blocks the setup. Here's the simple fix. First, temporarily turn off your antivirus and firewall. Then, right-click the installer and select Run as Administrator. Make sure Windows is fully updated. If it still fails, download the Adobe Creative Cloud Cleaner tool. Run it to remove previous failed installations. After that, run the Premiere Pro installer again. This solves error 127 for most users. If you want a full step-by-step guide on a secret trick to fix this instantly,